In WordPress, you cannot directly deactivate a theme the same way you would deactivate a plugin. However, you can switch to a different theme or revert to the default theme, which effectively deactivates the current theme. Here's how to do it. Switch to a new theme. Log into WordPress. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Themes. From the left sidebar, go to Appearance, Themes. Choose a new theme. Browse the available themes or click Add New to install a new theme from the WordPress repository. Activate the new theme. Hover over the theme you want to activate and click Activate. This will switch your site to the new theme. Revert to the default theme. If you want to deactivate your current theme and revert to the default WordPress theme, follow the same steps above to go to Appearance, Themes. Activate the default theme. Find the default theme and click Activate. Remove the unused theme. Delete the theme. After switching, you can delete the old theme by clicking on Theme Details under Appearance, Themes and selecting Delete.